Frank Sontag here from Kingdom Men's Gathering, reaching out today to our beloved female counterparts to invite you to an amazing women's conference coming up in the Pacific Northwest on June 25th, 2022, entitled Alignment for Your Assignment. This event is sponsored by Heal Our Land and hosted by none other than Teena Starr, the loving spiritual mother of many who, along with her husband Ken, have started Heal Our Land to focus on family restoration, kingdom education, houses of prayer, and anti-sex trafficking. Guest speakers include Dr. Sharon Billins from Palm Tree International Ministries and Joyce Reed, a minister of the gospel, wife, mother, leader, visionary, and mentor. Our worship leader is international recording superstar Beckah Shae. Come join these amazing women and stewards of the gospel at the Promise Church in Woodland, Washington on Saturday, June the 25th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tickets are available at healourland.org.